Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will walk you through the process of creating a responsive website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Start by creating intro page with a full screen background image set by CSS gradient and placeholder for image. This includes header and navigation bar and fully functional across various devices. This navigation bar at the top includes responsive mobile menu toggle animated with JavaScript, and when you press the navigation bar will appear and with a cross to close, and you can move smoothly between these pages. The main content with the typing animation, making introduction lively and engaging. This effect is initialized with JavaScript and serve as a perfect example of dynamic feature we will be exploring. As we proceed, you will learn how to link to different pages using the navigation bar, allowing the user to navigate from home to other pages. So let's get started. Start by creating a new folder where you will keep your assets like images and CSS and JavaScript and HTML. Open using Visual Code Studio your folder and create index file. Now after putting the structure of HTML, open live server to see live update while you are writing. It will save a lot of time. In the header I choose the logo and navigation bar that depend on your choice. The first one is the index file, and we will add the new pages that we created later on. Another section, I choose main content that the title and the text will show. Now we're done with the HTML file. Let's create a CSS file and link to the HTML file, and make sure to link the CSS at the top of the HTML file in the head section. I want to use a background image. Make sure to place the image at the same folder as HTML and CSS. And now using URL, you need to direct the file image file with the same name. And let's go back to HTML to add a subscribe button below the text. Now on a smaller screen, I want navigation links to be hidden and to be shown when it's been clicked. Let's add a mobile toggle menu, and this could be achieved by using JavaScript simply on clicked function. And here we need to add bar, like 3 bar. It depends on your choice. You can choose 4, 3 or 5. I just choose 3 here. And let's style it here with CSS first and add the functionality using JavaScript later. Let's add media query in order to make our page responsive, specifying the width of a screen, and this is mainly for a smaller screen. Now our page is responsive. Let's create JavaScript file in order to make it functional, and make sure to replace JavaScript file at the bottom of HTML. And this TypeScript that we will animate the text, I will put the link on the description below. And this part is for TypeScript, which make the text animated, typing in as a multiple text. You can choose as many as word you want here, and you need to put this text on strings in order, and in addition you need to specify the time that it should run. So here I have designed a website. I want design to be on page and the rest of the text type in. And now you need to specify the type speed, and you need to add again back speed when it's coming back, and you need to add back delay when it's finished writing, how much time it's supposed to stay. And you need to make this loop in order to run always. So now you need to move this TypeScript on top of our HTML on the head section, and see now it's running. So now we are done with JavaScript. Now we are done with our main page. We need to create a new file, HTML file, in order to link to our main page. Now I call it about.html. So you need to remove hashtag and write the name of HTML file. And now since we are using the same header and navigation bar, we need to just copy and paste it on our new page. So I'm going to change title name, about, and the logo name in order to appear on top browser. with a different name, telling that this is not the main page, but it is about page connected to home page. Now you can navigate home to about easily. And now let's add our item on the main page and style it later. Here I'm giving different semantic tags in order to use the same CSS file, or if you want to choose a different CSS file, you can create CSS file and link to this new page that you created, and make sure that in that case you choose the theme and navigation and header style. Here in this section I want to add image. As example, you need to place the image on the main folder as you did on the background image, so you need to redirect your image name. With that, we wrap up our tutorial today. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumb up, and if you would like to see more content like this, consider subscribing to the channel. Your support means a lot. Until next, happy coding.